Tèmi, ẹ wish mi ní birthday, ẹ wish mi ní happy birthday nísàlẹ̀. Yes, èmi náà I deserve gifts. I deserve gifts. Láti ọdún mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn ìsìn, ṣóyè yín. Láti ọdún mẹ́rin sẹ́yìn, èmi mo máa ń gift àwọn fans mi ní nígbà birthday mi. Ó lè kéré o but alhamdulillah. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́yin náà gift mi. Ẹ gift mi, yes. Ìwọ tó bá ní gift, sọ pé happy birthday. Ìwọ tó bá sì ní gift, béèrè pé Àjíà, níbo ni kí n tẹ̀ sí fún yín fún birthday yín. Thank you. Nothing is small. Ẹ̀yin tèmi. Chief Tatase. Anyway, mo ní kí n cruise ní èní ni mo ní kí n cruise, you know. So but nínú cruising náà, òótọ́ a lè rí ọgbọ́n bẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo fídíò VDM tí wọ́n fún ní chieftaincy title ní Ìwó Yorùbá land. So yín, after the correlation, ẹ máa listen sí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣókí náà ni mo mú wá láti ẹnu VDM. Nǹkan tí VDM sọ after coronation. Chieftaincy Yorùbá land ló di yẹ̀yẹ́ nìyẹn o, ló di gbà kólẹ̀. VDM ní òun ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀, tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ sí pé kí ni chieftaincy title tí wọ́n fún òun ò tiẹ̀ rántí, òun ní láti mọ kírámù. Ó ní òun àbí tàtàsé. Àbí tàtàsé of Ìwó land ni tàtàsé chief tàtàsé. Nígbà tẹ́ bá fún èèyàn tí ọgbọ́n orí rẹ̀ ò gbé nǹkan tẹ́ gbélé lọ́wọ́. Yes, àwọn bàbá tó ti bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ kú wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀ fún wọn ní chieftaincy title. Like seriously, ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu VDM ó lọ bẹ̀ ni fún something else. Ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀, VDM ń lọ bẹ̀ yẹn fún something else ni. Òun ni wọ́n fi fún ní chieftaincy title tó nǹkan mọ̀ pé for what? Òun náà mọ̀ pé kò tọ́ sí òun for kíni? For what? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará Ìwó. As how? Irú oyè wo ni wọ́n gbé fún VDM yẹn? Then kí ni ìdí tí wọ́n fi gbé fún VDM? Ṣé àrí àwọn tó kópa jù ní Ìwó yẹn tí wọ́n deserve àtayéṣe of that land? Wọ́n fún VDM ní àtayéṣe of Yorùbá land àbí Ìwó land ni. VDM ní tàtàsé as how? Ó ní ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ó ní òun ti ń gbọ́ a lot about ọba yẹn pé nípa òun àtàwọn bandit / sponsoring. Ó wá ní kó ń lọ see things for himself. VDM wá lọ, wọ́n wá gbé tàtàsé of Ìwó land lé lọ́wọ́ àbí àtayéṣe ni, sorry pardon me, àtayéṣe of Yorùbá of Ìwó land. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, VDM, okay, ẹ bá mi wo fídíò yẹn. Tẹ́ bá wo fídíò yẹn tán mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kékeré kan.
Nísìnyí tí mo ti di chief, let me just come back to English, you know. So now that I'm a king, right? There are a lot of things I cannot do anymore. See, number one, today will be the first and last time. Today will be the last time. They even ask me my title today. I even forget my title. Now this evening I can't revise my title way because I don't want to forget them. I can't come ask myself what your title, what your title. I can't remind myself Ataishi. If not, I don't even forget them. That's just the problem now. The biggest problem will be the title where they give me. Now if I would remember the title after 1 week. the title will be my problem. Like if I will remember after 1 week. I said today, they didn't ask me. It's not your title again. I swear, next moment I caught attaché. Well, anyways, you see that place I went to, Iwo, is a very beautiful place. You see, the king, there are a lot of things. People said a lot of things about him before I went there, and that was why I even went to the place. They said he's sponsoring bandits. Somebody literally told me that king is sponsoring bandits. He's sponsoring jihad. He's sponsoring. They sent a whole lot. In short, because they could not reach me, they sent it to my friends that are footballers, right? They were disturbing them in their DMs. They contacted me and they told me that, oh no, this place, so this is what we heard. I said, no, I will go and see, right? And then when I got there, you people saw everything online. You see, at this point, it is what it is. What people call me in Nigeria, these things don't really, never catch me for my
VDM, congratulations. Tata say of Iwo land. Oyè ńlá ni o. Oyè ńlá o ni VDM fẹnu yẹpẹrẹ. Ẹ má gbàgbé, mo ní à ń cruise ni. Nínú cruising, a lè rí wisdom. Ṣó yẹ yẹn tèmi. Tí wisdom bá wà ńbẹ̀, ẹ bá mi tẹ̀ sí pé yes, Ajia, wisdom wà ńbẹ̀. Tí ò bá wá sí wisdom, ẹ bá mi tẹ̀ sí náà nínú comment. Ẹ̀yin ẹ sọ nǹkan tẹ́ feel nípa ẹ̀. Oyè ńlá ni wọ́n fún VDM. VDM, congratulations. Oyè ńlá ni wọ́n fún ẹ. Àwọn ọmọ ìlú yẹn ló tọ́ sí. VDM gan wọn ò fún ní chieftaincy title nílùú ẹ̀. VDM lọ bẹ̀ láti lọ see things for himself according to the rumour. Oyè ni wọ́n gbélé lọ́wọ́ for what? As how, ọba? As how now? As how? VDM. Ẹ dákun at all time.
And I'm giving his name is his title is Atayese. Atayese of
see that place I went to, Iwo, is a very beautiful place. You see, the king, there are a lot of things. People said a lot of things about him before I went there, and that was why I even went to the place. They said he's sponsoring bandits. Somebody literally told me that king is sponsoring bandits. He's sponsoring jihad. He's sponsoring. They sent a whole lot. In short, because they could not reach me, they sent it to my friends that are footballers, right? They were disturbing them in their DMs. They contacted me and they told me that, oh no, this place, so this is what we heard. I said, no, I will go and see, right? And then when I got there, you people saw everything online. You see, at this point, it is what it is. What people call me in Nigeria, these things don't really, never catch me for my
VDM, má jẹ dodo, gbàgbé òdodo. Má jẹ dodo, gbàgbé òdodo. So yé yín báyìí. There's reason for you being there according to what you said. You understand? Má jẹ dodo, gbàgbé òdodo. Anyway, we are still cruising. Ẹ tèmi, ẹ má ṣe mọ́ o. Èmi náà ni, ajé àtọkọtaya àtorí bẹ́ẹ̀dì. Ẹ wo past videos mi. Ibo ló ti ń gbé ta ẹ́? Ibo ló ti ń gbé dùn ẹ́ lórí herbal remedy? Or tó bá dẹ̀ ní any real life experience tó jọmọ́ nǹkan tí mo gbé wà léfà ẹ̀, dákun tẹ̀ sí mi. Ẹ ṣe mí ní happy birthday. Okay? Bye for now. We are still cruising anyway.